If you're interested in an evergreen that comes in great variety and can be planted just about anywhere, then consider Juniper. Their color and texture can add great winter interest to your landscape. And there are dozens upon dozens of species that you can choose from. So, depending on what size and shape you're looking for, chances are there's a juniper that fits the bill. Some grow tall like trees, and other ones sprawl low to the ground and make great ground covers. They tolerate pruning really well, so you can leave them alone as a specimen or prune them up as a hedge. You can even prune them as topiary. Junipers are really well known for their berries, which is actually a fleshy like cone. And they've been harvested and used throughout history for everything from medicines to fragrances, and perhaps most famously for flavoring gin. Now, all junipers when they're young have a prickly, needle-like foliage, but some junipers as they mature develop a scale-like, much softer foliage. So, if tactile qualities are important to you, make sure you know what kind you're getting. Now, I know I said these could be planted just about anywhere, but they will do best in full sun or partial shade. When they're in deep shade, they can get kind of shabby and fall prone to diseases and pests. Some common pests for juniper are bagworms, scale insects, and spider mites, but regular inspections from an arborist can help keep these at bay. So once again, consider juniper, a great doer of a plant with many possibilities.